Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to view other people's calendars in Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you need to coordinate schedules with colleagues, check availability for meetings, or simply stay in sync with your team's activities. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, make sure you're logged into your account so that all your emails and calendar information can load properly. This initial step is essential because without being logged in, you won't have access to any of the calendar features we'll be using today. Once your email has fully loaded and you can see your inbox, it's time to navigate to the calendar section. Look towards the bottom part of your screen where you'll find the calendar icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will switch your view from your emails to your calendar interface, which is where all the magic happens for viewing and managing schedules. After clicking on the calendar option, you'll notice that your entire menu has changed to show calendar-specific features. Now focus your attention on the left navigation menu. Here you'll see a section labeled Other Calendars. Right-click directly on Other Calendars to bring up a context menu with several options. In this context menu, hover your cursor over the option that says Add Calendar. When you do this, you'll see 4 additional options appear. These options give you different ways to add calendars to your view, but for our purpose today, we're interested in viewing calendars of people who are already in your address book. From the options provided, click on From Address Book. This will open a new window called Select Contact. This window displays all the contacts available in your Outlook address book, making it easy to find the person whose calendar you want to view. Simply browse through the list or use the search function to find the specific contact you're looking for, then select them. Once you've selected the contact and confirmed your choice, you'll immediately notice that your calendar view updates. The contact's calendar will now be populated alongside your own, allowing you to see their scheduled events, meetings, and appointments. This side-by-side view makes it incredibly easy to find overlapping free time and coordinate your schedules effectively. And that's it. You've successfully added and can now view other people's calendars in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.